This video is to show you how to... What am I doing?
Oh,
the heads-up display. Okay. This video is to show you how to adjust the settings on your heads-up display. The heads-up display is the video projection on the windshield that is visible to the driver. To access the controls for the heads-up display, you go to Car, Settings, and then Displays. And then you hit the heads-up display. From there, you can adjust the brightness, the height, and the rotation, so that way it is the most visible for the driver of the car. This is also where you can adjust what appears on your heads-up display. The heads-up display has the option to show your speed, the speed limit of the area you're in, any speed warnings that you have, the navigation, or the infotainment system of the car. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the Century BMW family.